Good morning to them. Today we are going to learn the very second part of the or writing skill, that is the art of comparing. Now let us see the role of the, we can say, comparing person, or what are the requirements or what are the essential things of the comparing that are prerequisite of comparing. Comparing requires language. Comparing persons, or we can say, upon comparing persons require a language fluency, clarity of thought and confidence. While presenting this person should be clear in thought, there should be not be any types of jumbling within in his mind also, and he should present as per the rules and regulation of the that particular program. Basic understanding of nature and tone of event is must. And as per the event, if the event is the joyful, that types of tone. If the event is serious, that types of serious tone. If the event is we can say dangerous, that types of horrible expressions or tone should be expressed by the this person. A simple but dignified style with words that come from heart. And whatever the speaking or whatever the fluency of language is concerned, this should not be mechanical. This language should be feel to an audience that a natural way, and it should be from his bottom of the heart. Ability to deal work with the technical event organizer, guest speaker, it is a part of his duty or profession. Filler. While anchoring, the most crucial thing to keep the audience engaged. Filler are small performers. Fillers mean we understand. Filler means who fill the gap. In short, we can say fill the gap. Performance enactment to keep the audience entertained and attentive. The role of filler can also be that of providing comic relief. Comic relief means we can, this is a literary term. Comic relief means we can say comedy relaxation, in short, between two performers. They are usually required when the schedule of the program is delayed or disturbed for some reason. Sometimes when the on stage performance, if there is the requirements of maybe a stage direction, stage arrangement, and there may be some barriers in the program. At that time, these fillers person perform their duty to engage the audience. One can choose from multiple types of filler such as mimicry item, riddles, anecdote, fun fact, jokes, recitation, recitation of, we can say, some comedy poem may also, or small performance to suit the event. The compare the comparer sorry the comparer should keep the filler ready before hand in the same way that he or she keep the script ready. One must keep in mind that filler are very important as they bind the program and maintain it continually. A sample comparing script. Introduction. Here is given a sample comparing script. Introduction. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I extend a very warm and heartfelt welcome to you on behalf of our college. Today we have organized an evening of song, dance, and pageantry for you, giving you a quick and exotic taste of India. We welcome you in our midst in the traditional Indian way with a kumkum tilak on the forehead. It is red to signify the auspicious occasion. The arti will remove the evil eye with sacred fire and trumpet, signaling the beginning of the function. Lighting of the lamp. I call upon our chairperson, Ms. Dada, to light the lamp to signify the opening of our event. About the event, our country is a historical about the event. Our country is historically ancient, spiritually deep, and geographically vast and culturally rich. She has traditional traditions, customs, and more which are thousands of years old, though making fast progress in the 21st century. Her music, dance, drama, and language survive a new renew themselves continuously through the ages. We we offer you this evening a tantalizing glimpses of Indian culture. We shall try to take you to the various corners of India and introduce to you different folk dances hailing from these places, unerringly depicting the geography, history, and character of its people. When this program is regarding the folk dance, or it is a cultural attitude program, so that is why the arrangement of the kumkum tilak, or we can say to lighting of the lamp, these are the traditional function or traditional customs is followed in this program at the beginning of this program. The enduring legends of Lord Krishna and his beloved Radha is embodied in the folk dance we are about to present to you, the Lavani. The word Lavani comes from the word Lavanya, which means unearthly beauty. It is the best loved and very popular folk performance originating in our own state of Maharashtra. It consists of a range of romantic songs in Marathi. The Lavani, like all folk forms, has evolved and changed through the ages. Initially, the Lavani was performed in a baitak or sitting position accompanied by adakari or skillful or subtle facial expression and gestures. The Lavani then evolved to become the Khadi Lavani or Lavani performer perform in a standing position, whereby the performer not only sings but dance along with the song. The songs are supposedly sung by gopis or milkmaids who epitomize bhakti on devotion to Lord Krishna and the Lord of Love. The songs are celebration of love between Lord Krishna and Radha and depict the playful aspect of their relationship. The Lavani embody the Singar Rasa. It is one of the, we can say, rasa theory, uh, one of the rasa theory, and a Singar Rasa. Singar means decorating and dressing up the rasa is the mood that is created. Entry first. Let us get into mood and enjoy the scintillating the Lavani performance. Now put your hand together for a round of applause for this wonderful performance. Now, entry second, Nagaland is one of the culturally rich northeastern state of India. The Jalian bamboo Naga dance hail from this state. This was an awesome performance. Here, one by one, we can say cultural dance or folk dance are performed, and uh, entry of this dancers team or dancers are appearing, and the comparer depicting regarding them. Then entry three, Jalian, Jalian, Jalian means a butterfly. The dance attempt to imitate the movement of the butterfly, and dancers wear clothes as colorful as butterfly wings. Their movements too are delicate and graceful as butterfly. The dancers wear costumes made of rabbit skin, deer, and other animals. The special attraction of this dance is that a dancer jumps on bamboos as they dance with great energy and stamina. Give them huge round of applause. Then Entry 4. Let us now welcome our vibrant northeastern dancer for another captivating performance. Sambhalpuri is a small district of the state of Orissa which lies to the southeast eastern part of India. It is rich in ancient Indian art and craft. This teeny district is famous for its handloom and views. The Sambhalpuri dance is like many other folk dance or dances, folk dances, a harvest dance, a celebration dance, and the hay surrounding the area where dance is to be performed is set on fire, and in the firelight, the native folk celebrate a good harvest. Let us get into the celebrity mode to rejoice the bountiful harvest. Closing address. We were to transport into the world of folk the natural spring of the human heart as we come to the end of this beautiful colorful evening. Let us carry with us memories of time well spent. Entry 4. Vote of thanks. Means here comparer describing each folk dancer's entry one by one. We observe 5 entries of 5 different dancing teams and their performance keynote or key features. Out of time. Now program would be a success without a dedicated team of people who work tirelessly behind the scenes. I take this opportunity to thank each and every member of the organizing team for putting up this brilliant show and transporting us to the plentiful field of India. We are extremely grateful to our guests for their gracious presence. I would also like to take this opportunity uh, to thank the choreographers and set designer and light operator and technical support team without whom this program would not have been possible. Last but not the least, thank you audience for being so support and responsive. Now thank you very much.